fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some of my latest finds from Fansells. So I'm just going to jump in. I've got all kinds of goodies to show, and then a surprise. So let me just start. Move these out of the way. And let me just start with this one. Now, this is an item. You guys know I like to find kind of unusual items. I've never done one like this before. It's a pillow. So it's this cute butterfly pillow. It's got a zip here on the edge so you can put your pillow or whatever. So once you get done diamond painting it, you can use it as a cushion. This would be definitely something that I would want to seal because people are going to be rubbing on it. Definitely want to make sure that those diamonds are going to stay where they're supposed to. It's supposed to be a decorative item, but for me, at my house anyway, the reality is somebody would be smushing their face or their rear end all over it. So just make sure that the drills don't want to go anywhere. Okay, so kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pin, and you do get a few baggies. And then you get some drills here. Now, let's see. I don't know if it told me. I think it said this was supposed to be 30 by 30. The pillow is 30 by 30. So the pillow is actually a little over 30, about 30.5 centimeters by 31 centimeters. So it's actually a little bit bigger than it says. Of course, by the time you shove the pillow or stuffing or whatever in it, it may be smaller. So, and you're just diamond painting this butterfly. So the rest of it is just fabric. So nice and sticky. Let's see how many colors and what kind of fun special drills we have in here. Okay, so we get special drills and baggies. So lots of crystal rhinestones. We get kind of a mauvey purple, a bright green, a turquoise, kind of an antique gold, a bright red, and a dark purple. Okay, so we got all of those. And then let's get the fun ones. We get a pink iridescent marquee shape. We get a very pretty blue iridescent, it's like a turquoise iridescent teardrop shape. You get a purple iridescent marquee. Ooh, those are very pretty. A pinky orange teardrop iridescent, and then some of those star-shaped iridescent ones. So lots of fun drills in this one. That's cool. Can't wait to see how those go. Not quite sure how those folded all up, but I'll just call it good like that. So yeah, this one will be nice and simple and fun. And this one was $5.94. And like I said, I've never done anything like that before, so I wanted to give it a try. I really like trying those off the canvas items. Okay, so then this canvas is a possible contender for my 30 by 30 challenge, if I can get it out of here. There we go. Okay. Ooh, it's one of them thinner ones that you can roll up nice and tight. I love these. They don't hold the creases as much as these stiffer canvases do, so I love that. Okay, so standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. We've got our drills, and we've got this cute little one. Now, it's very simple. It's just kind of this abstract background, and then it says you can do it. And again, I don't normally buy things that have writing on them because I feel like when you diamond paint words, unless it's pretty big, it's not legible when you get finished. So this one I felt like it was going to be big enough that it would be legible when I was done, and also, lots of multi-placing and things for me to practice on. So it's a 30 by 30. It says, let's see, it's 25 by 24.5. We do have a schematic, only on one side though, but it does have our DMC codes, so that's good. Love it when they give me DMC codes. It is nice and sticky. And even though it is kind of an abstract background, I don't feel like it's very confetti. I mean, there's a few places here and there where it's got confetti, but for the most part, a lot of it is going to be multi-placing. So let's see what our 25 colors are. Okay, so get these strings of drills here. Okay, so we've got a gray, a bright peach, a black. So the words are black, but that looks like all that's black. The rest of it is all different colors. So we've got a dark purple, kind of a caramel color, a sage green, there's a tan, very light tan, and a very pale tan, a pale yellow, a pale green, and then we get, untangle these here, we get a very pale peach, a pale turquoise, ooh, that mulberry pinky color I love, a slate blue, a slightly lighter slate blue, a very, very pale sage green, a dark pink, a pink, and then kind of a blush pink, and then a very pale, like cornflower blue. And then, still more colors, we have another peach, a yellow, a mauve, kind of a mustardy yellow, and then an off-white. So lots of colors in this one. For as simple as the image look, I'm always surprised on some of these when I look at these kind of simple images and I think, oh, that'll be easy to do. And then when I get the diamond painting, it's got so many more colors than I expected. So let's see if I can get these all folded back up in here, so I can get them back in here. Ooh, and that is not how they go because that's not going to fit. So I'll just wait and do that later. Okay, so there's that one. Then I'm going to save that one for last. Let's do this one. This is another 30 by 30 contender, but it's a partial. And let me unroll this here. This one is a little bit thicker, that kind of traditional standard thicker canvas that you get. Okay, let me roll this up so you guys will be able to see it. Okay, and you can see it's a special drill kit. So we've got a boat, plate of wax, pink pin. It does have a couple of baggies in it. And guys, oh, this one is not a 30 by 30. It's a 30 by 40. I thought it was a 30 by 30. I wrote my notes down wrong. Okay, so this is just this cute little ballerina, and it's a partial, as you can see. So maybe this will just be one of those, I need a quick win. Let me finish this. Maybe I could do this one in the car. We'll see. So it says 30 by 40. It is 24 by 34. And we only have 10 colors. We do have a schematic on both sides. Let's see. It's nice and sticky where it needs to be. And no crystal codes or anything, so it's just kind of stick them where they go, which is fine. I thought this one was cute. I used to dance, and I love ballet, and I thought it was pretty. Okay, so we got lots of crystals. We've got clear crystals. We've got kind of a dusky pink and a dark pink. We've got some gold. Got some black, and then we get into our special drills. Ooh, we've got this very pretty magenta marquee cut shape, and then some green marquee cut shape, some antique gold marquee cut, and then we have what's going to go all over her dress. These last two, we've got these very pretty pink roses, and then we've got these very pretty berry flowers, which it looks like one of them escaped into there, but so yeah, super happy with that. This looks like it's going to be so much fun to do this one, and also it will be really quick. So on one of those days when I'm despairing that I'm ever going to finish some of my big projects, I could sit down with this and have it done in a couple of hours probably. And just make myself feel a little bit better because I got something finished. Okay, so this one was $5.94, and I think I forgot to tell you the You Can Do It one was $3.56. So let me get to, is that under the canvas or, oh, I think it's, oh, okay, got it. All right, so let's get that one out of the way, and then let's open this one. I was excited about this one, you guys. So let me open this one. Because now I will say this is actually a canvas that I have done before, or it's an image I've done before, I should say that. So I did this image back when it was licensed with Diamond Art Club. The artist has since released over 600 of her images into the public domain. So now you can find them all over the budget painting companies because they're public domain art. And so I snagged one because I want to do a project with it. So standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. It is a round kit. And here is the image, you guys. This is, I think it's called The Whispered Word. Lenore is the name of the image. And I actually did this one, like I said, a Diamond Art Club one of these. So I'll find the link and stick it up there. But since she's now released a whole bunch of her art into the public domain, it's now a public domain piece of art. So when I saw it, I thought, oh, you know what? I'm going to snag this so I can do a comparison of just an example of why bigger is better. And also, I'm pretty sure the one that Diamond Art Club one that I did of this was square and not round. So that'll be a nice comparison as well. Of course, I think it's only got 20 colors, so that's probably going to be less than my Diamond Art Club version of this. But I'm curious to see how it looks. So it says it's a 30 by 40. It is 25 by, I'm going to guess 35, but let me measure, 34 and a half. Okay, and it does have a schematic on both sides, and it does have the DMC codes on both sides, so that's awesome. It is nice and sticky. And I will say, this is a very dark painting, so I'm kind of curious if I'm going to have any issues. I can see there's B's and R's right next to each other, but the B is white and black, and the R is white and blue, and it looks like I can tell the difference easily enough. So that looks good. Do I have any other weird colors that looks like it's going to be difficult? No, it looks pretty straightforward. So yeah, really curious to kind of see how this turns out. So if you're a fan of Jasmine Beckett Griffith, like I said, 600 plus of her artworks have been released into the public domain. So you can find them all over the place. So got one loose bag of drills floating there. So I've got 20 colors. Let's look at the drills. We've got kind of a dusky peach, a light gray, a dark gray, and then like a true gray, and then another light gray. Lots of gray, black, and blue in this one. So we've got a true blue, kind of a royal blue, a slate or a very dark blue, a navy blue. That's like almost like a really true blue again. And then we've got, is this 2 bags? Yes, 2 bags of 939, that very dark blue. And then we've got kind of a dark turquoise, and then kind of a sky blue. There's a very dark brown. That's like a sage green. Some yellow for the moon. It's a very dark turquoise, a dark gray, and a peach color. So yeah, only 20 colors in this one, which doesn't seem like a lot for, you know, considering kind of the detail. Oh, I forgot the floating one, and there's another like brown color. So, but yeah, excited to see now that she's released a bunch of these into the public domain. to see what they look like. Okay, let me get these back in here. Actually, I think I folded those up too small, but whatever. Okay, and that one was $4.18. Now, this last item is a gift from Diamond Art Club, from Fansells. I didn't order this. They just sent a little extra to me, and I'm not quite sure what it is, so we'll see. So, it's something you can diamond paint. So, you get this lovely little, it says it's a rabbit car. Ooh, it's battery operated. Does it actually, I wonder if it makes a noise. And, oh, you can use it like to hang on your backpack and stuff too. So here's the little kit. What comes in here? So we've got all the little pink diamonds that you can put all over it. And they're, I wonder if those are glow in the dark. They're very shiny AB, pink ABs though. Those are cute. So you get the little keychain that you can put on there. Oh, you guys, it's those wax picker pens that I tried out, and they give you a sharpener. So you can use those to put them on. And then you get a little teeny tiny tube of B7000, which is a glue. I'm not sure what, I guess you spread the glue on there. Spread the glue on it. I'd probably want to do that with like a paintbrush or something first, and then try and stick them on there. It's kind of cool though. Not something I would get for myself, but my daughter loves all this kind of very cutesy kawaii stuff, so she might be interested in it. I shall have to ask her. Okay, so there's that item. And I don't have any information on this because it wasn't on my list. Like I said, this was something they sent to me extra. You know what? I'm just going to leave that out while we go over everything. If I can, I will find a link for this so I can link it so you guys can look at it if you're interested. So just to recap, we've got our Jasmine Beckett Griffith Lenore was $4.18. We've got our lovely little ballerina partial. That was $5.94. We've got our little freebie car. We've got our You Can Do It, which was $3.56. And then under all of this, we've got our lovely little butterfly pillow, which was $5.94. So nice little haul from Fansells. I'm excited to, this one will probably go in my 30 by 30 challenge pile. This one is going to be a project, so I'll set that aside. And then these two maybe just will be, hey, quick wins. So there you go, guys. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.